Southern Arizona is a great place for the advancement of technology in the solar space. In addition to the optimal sun that we have here, we also have resources such as the University of Arizona, the space at the tech park, which has the solar zone. If you walk through this expansive area, you'll see a sea of solar technologies, of solar panels. There are technologies that are addressing battery storage, solar panel efficiency. There are trackers, dual access trackers. In the backdrop, you'll see the Tucson mountains, you'll see the beautiful Tucson desert. And what's really neat is you might walk in there one day and come back a month later and the technologies will be completely different. We are the University of Arizona Center for Innovation, and our mission is to serve scalable science and technology ventures that fuel the Southern Arizona economy. At the heart of it all is our incubator here. We have over 20 companies that are working on scalable technologies that are solving real-world problems and occupy spaces such as our collaboration area, our wet labs, our dry labs, and use facilities such as our conference rooms and prototyping center. So the Department of Energy, by way of the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, or NREL, has a goal to help develop solar technologies that are made here in America. So they created the American-Made Solar Prize. And the goal is to work with innovators, which could be researchers, they could be startups or small businesses that are working on technologies that support the solar industry. The U of A Center for Innovation is honored to be a power connector for the American-Made Solar Prize. What this means is that we are one of 6 across the nation, organizations, incubators, universities that support this program. So the American-Made Solar Prize is in rounds. Each one of those rounds has stage gates, 3 of them, a ready, set, and a go. Dozens of innovators go through the ready round. They have 90 days to display their technology, improve that feasibility, and then go for the set, where each one has the ability to win $100,000 and $75,000 in vouchers to work with national labs to help to develop their technologies. From there, they move on to the go round, where there's an available $500,000 for each innovator that wins in that round, and the ability to, again, work with national labs.
And we have licensees around the world.
Hey guys, my name is Michael SCHERER. I'm a Director of Production and Product Development for CRAFTSTROM here in Houston, Texas. We are a startup, part of the American-Made Solar Prize.
Our product is basically a solar generator. It means it comes with a solar panel, a smart solar panel, and a smart battery. These 2 products start communicating and help you save money by helping you regulate your energy needs. It's really easy to install. It's all plug and play. All you do is connect to our app, register. It basically does the work for you, you know? And you're not only saving money, but you're actually you're doing something for the environment.
It's a little dirty right now because they're cutting the grass right now, but that's my panel out here and it is plugged in right there. And it's been working for over a year like an absolute charm.
I'm John HOLLICK. I'm the CEO of CONSERVAL Systems. We're located in Buffalo, New York. The SolarWall Power Tower, it's really a combination of renewable energy technologies. So the tower has both updraft and downdraft. One flow is created by solar heat and the other from wind. And both airflows impinge on the same turbines at the base. So instead of competing, solar and wind can now work together. And that's what we're demonstrating at the Solar Tech Park in Arizona. I feel that they'll be a great partner, and we're pretty excited about this.
Hi, I'm Solomon OLSHIN. I'm a 19-year-old rising sophomore at Pomona College, and I'm the founder of SHINE Technologies. JuiceBox 3.0 is SHINE's 3rd product, and it's the first portable, durable solar microgrid that's designed for government and nonprofit humanitarian work. JuiceBox 3.0 is designed to be deployed by governments and nonprofit organizations into disaster-stricken areas and other communities that need backup emergency power. So JuiceBox provides a really reliable and self-sufficient source of electricity and light that enables people to get back up on their feet. My team and I started with JuiceBox during my sophomore year of high school, and we came together as part of a school club called the Invent Team, grants, and we decided to apply for the American Made Solar Prize. And we're really excited to continue to engage with the American Made Network, and especially with the University of Arizona Center for Innovation.
So these innovators can take advantage of quite a bit here at the University of Arizona Center for Innovation and at the Tech Park. Should the innovators that we're working with make it through this competition, we do plan on offering them the space and resources to demonstrate their technology here at the Solar Zone. It's inspiring to work with innovators. We're putting Tucson on the map for this. We're only one of 6 power connectors, and so this is a pretty big deal for our community. In addition to that, we now are exposing our community to technologies, innovators, startups, and federal agencies across the nation. So the technologies that might come here or the companies that are created here have already been exposed to Tucson, enjoy Southern Arizona, and are looking to grow here as well.